What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be looking at a cabin air filter change on a Nissan Rogue. This is a 2020 Rogue here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the cabin air filter is going to be located up underneath the glove box. This item right here is going to be the door to the cabin filter. This one doesn't have any screws in it, but you may have a Phillips head screw here, and you may also have one here. I've seen them from having none, as this one does, to as many as those two in there. So if you have screws, whether it's one or two, go ahead and remove those. Once you get it to this point, you can get your finger around this loop, and that'll just pull off of there, that whole door. And then we can see our filter right here. And it comes out of there a little bit tough. You're gonna have to kind of squeeze and pull it out like that. I know it's a little tough to see, space is kind of tight up here. All right, so once we get our filter out, let's take a look at this. This was sitting in there like this. So when you install your new one, you're going to want to make sure that that airflow arrow is pointing towards the rear of the vehicle. And I don't actually have this, the new one here for this now, so I'm just going to show you how to reinstall with your old one. Or with this old one, obviously you're going to use your new one. But you want to be careful when you have your new one, but you're going to have to squish this down a little bit. There's just no way around that. So let's see if we can get a shot of this. What I found to do is if you start with this side, kind of squish it in there. Just get that started in that way, and again, you're gonna have to kind of squish it a little bit. And then once it'll kind of pop into place once you get it to where it can be. And then we'll grab our filter door. And that'll pop on there like that. It's really not too difficult. The hardest part with this one's honestly just getting that filter in and out because space is pretty tight. But if you have any questions, let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.